Thanks for participating in today's webinar. I'm Aurel from Northeast Asia support team. So here's our today's outline. First, we'll introduce the RTM process and the advantages of Moldex3D RTM module, and then brief demonstrate our RTM workflow and some other types of RTM process. And final are some case studies. So our first session is the RTM introduction. Fiber reinforced plastic is composed by fiber mat and resin. FRP has benefits over the non-fiber plastic, such as high strength, high stiffness, lightweight, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. And thus, FRP applications is so wide, and especially for big components. And for big components, it's like automotive and aerospace industries, automobile, energy industry, and more. And later, we will have case studies about jet and wind turbine. So fiber reinforced composite's original goal is to reduce the product weight and also improve the mechanical strength. And as you can see in the image, if we talk about the fiber length and mechanical properties, we can tell that longer fiber lengths tend to have higher mechanical properties. And RTM materials belongs to fabric mat and usually contains long fiber and continuous fiber. Composite materials can be separated as continuous and discontinuous type. RTM's material belongs to dry fiber mat, as you can see, and we can call it as a preform, and which is under the continuous type. And fiber mat is composed by stack of plies. The fabric direction can be unidirection, bidirection, and 3D fabrics. And also, some people also call RTM process as liquid composite molding because we implant the resin into the dry fabric mat.